SAI.TECH is proud to announce that it will begin operations this month at its new North American distribution center in Chesterland, Ohio, and activate its first SAI Node project as a live demo of a sustainable Bitcoin mining and innovative heating equipment at its new facility. This 30,000 square feet facility will play a key role in SAI.TECH's expansion plan in the North American markets, including both United States and Canada. It will serve as the service and training headquarters, the final assembly, repair and distribution point. It also features the first SAI Node project in US, demonstrating SAI.TECH's unique energy-efficient liquid cooling and waste heat recovery technologies and solutions, with a live heating application of a SAIHUB cabinet to the Bitcoin mining and traditional heating industries in North America, calling for consensus of Bitcoin heat. Starting from Chesterland, SAI.TECH is going to introduce and roll out its liquid cooling and waste heat recovery technologies and solutions to the North American market, where global Bitcoin miners concentrate. Human productivity is increasingly built on data centers' computing power, and SAI.TECH is redefining the future of our power, computing and heating infrastructure, improving the total energy efficiency across these three industries. At SAI, we're all energists.